Here's a quick video on what I found with my Ryobi garage door opener. First of all, I had to press and set the program, push and hold 3 seconds, light will blink, set, push and hold 3 seconds, and adjust, and set. Run it both up and down after setting, and then the lights will go out. I found mine still wasn't working properly. It would blink at me because my interference sensors were plugged into this piece here on top of the Ryobi garage door opener up there where the wires are. The wires, when pushed into here, were still not making contact. I don't know if you can see, but inside there, those pins will not shut to hit the wires. So what I did was just cut this whole piece out and made the contacts through a twist lock up on top. You can see my two sensors are right there mounted on the bar facing each other. Yes, I installed this myself. And now after resetting my sensors here, operates correctly. So this piece here is just a piece of crap. All's working good now. Thanks.